Okay, now the ISI conduit allegedly behind the Kanpur rail accident has been arrested in Kathmandu. Shamsul Huda is one of the prime accused in the Kanpur tragedy in which more than 150 people had died. According to Indian intelligence agencies, he is an ISI handler operating from Dubai. He had been deported by authorities in UAE to Nepal, where he was finally arrested. NIA has filed FIRs in 3 cases against Huda and is sending a team to Nepal to question him. NIA will also write to Ministry of External Affairs seeking use of diplomatic channels to get Huda to India. As per Indian security agencies, Huda had been tasked by the ISI to target trains in India. Audio clips of his damning conversations with contacts in India were handed over to Dubai by Indian security agencies. Sources in Nepal police say that along with Shamsul Huda, people from Malaysia, Dubai and Pakistan also involved in spreading terror in India. Bihar police had last month detained 3 suspects in the case. The suspects had spilled the beans linking the ISI to the accident.
अरुण कुशवाहा जी।
हाँ सर, हाँ बोल रहा हूँ सर।
वो शमसुल हुदा गिरफ्तार हो गया ना अब तो ऑफिशियल?
जी जी जी।
अच्छा, क्या खुलासा किया इसने? पूछताछ में कुछ खुलासा किया?
पूछताछ में सब हम आदेश दिए हैं, अब काम हुआ है। हमसे भी बड़ा आदमी है बोल रहा था।
अच्छा, वो क्या शमसुल हुदा ने बोला हमसे बड़े लोग हैं?
जी जी जी।
मतलब कितने बड़े लोग हैं? मतलब कौन लोग हैं? पाकिस्तान में है वो लोग?
हाँ, वहाँ का लोग बता रहा है।
ये शमसुल हुदा पूछताछ में क्या बता रहा है? शमसुल हुदा पूछताछ में क्या बोला?
हाँ जी, हाँ, हमसे भी बड़ा आदमी है। हमको रिसार्च दिया है, तो काम दिया है जो इसे करो।
क्या काम दिया था?
हाँ, जो आतंक फैलाओ
भारत में
और हाँ, उसमें बिहार में जगह, लेकिन उन लोग का जो लोग जैसे बोला था वैसे काम नहीं हो पाया, इसलिए इन लोग को।
अच्छा, काम क्या बोला था कि ट्रेन में भारत के ट्रेन में सब उड़ाओ, ट्रेन को उड़ाओ ना?
अब काफी जो देखा गया है वो ट्रेन और रेलवे स्टेशन और जो लीक है, लीक को ज्यादा टारगेट
नहीं, वो भी मैं नहीं कर सकता। इन्होंने घोड़ासैन में बम रखा है और आदापुर नकरदे स्थित रेलवे स्टेशन में इन लोगों ने बम रखा है। ये 2 जगह का अपराध इन्होंने स्वीकार किया है और हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं।
क्या उसका पहले का भी
नहीं, हम लोग इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहा है, लेकिन क्लियर ये नहीं दिख रहा है,
लेकिन
इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहा है।
पिछले चुनाव भी लड़ा था।
हाँ, ये संसद के इलेक्शन में चुनाव भी लड़ा था। ये 3
Let's cut across live to the newsroom where Gaurav Sawant is joining us now. Gaurav, take us through the role, the involvement of Shamsul Huda that we are talking about, and give us a sense of his background.
So, details we know about Shamsul Huda at this stage. Initially, the information came through Motilal Paswan, Uma Shankar Patel and Mukesh Yadav. Now, these are 3 people living in East Champaran in Bihar, suspected to be close to Maoists. Now, they were arrested when they were trying to lay an improvised explosive device on a railway track in East Champaran. That's where they were arrested, interrogated by the Bihar police. When asked about the plot, they revealed that this was money paid to them by the ISI, and that's where Shamsul Huda's name first cropped up. On sustained interrogation, they took the names of 2 other people that we are now being told. Brij Kishore Giri. Now, Brij Kishore Giri is actually a handler in Nepal, presently in the custody of the Nepal police, and then Shamsul Huda in Dubai, at that point of time in Dubai, and one Shafi Sheikh, who was the ISI handler apparently in Karachi. Now, their phones were intercepted. A lot of information flowed in through the interception of their phones. And then it was revealed in interrogation by the Nepal police that Arun and Deepak Ram, 2 people who had been paid 3 lakh rupees each to plant explosives but unfortunately they refused to do it, and Shamsul Huda had them killed. They were killed in Nepal.
Right.
Now he's been extradited on those grounds to Nepal, and NIA team will travel to Nepal and interrogate him.
Okay, do stay on with us, Gaurav, because there's another, in fact, interesting development that is coming through, and we would like to get your comments on that as well.